button and hit the bell after you do that, so you can stay up on my videos and when I post. Well, what we're trying to do today is just put the jug back together, as you can see right there. Then he's grinding on part of it, cleaning it off. Anyways, this is a Suzuki Tiger 400 four-wheel drive LTF. It's a pretty good one. It's had some wear and tear on it. Got the gaskets, piston, and everything for it. So we're just trying to put it back together. Stay tuned and just kick back and get something to eat, something to drink, and just stay tuned while we sit here and work on it. Maybe this might help one of you out if you're trying to do this. This won't be the last video on it because we ain't gonna get it all done today, because we don't have enough time for that today anyways. So yeah, let's try to get 5 likes on this video. Just 5, and let's just subscribe. Hope you're all doing good today though. Yeah, I just gotta wait for him to get done. Well, we ain't gonna be able to show you putting it on today. I know that. Maybe. Because we still gotta clean that pretty good. What he's grinding on right now. Then we gotta wash it off. So, we're gonna be kinda busy, if you know what I mean. And once I get it done, I'll be walking around showing you everything I got on it. How's it looking? Wow. We're gonna try to get this thing fixed, so we can get hitting the trails and showing you guys around. He got the 2017 Honda Foreman 500, which you've probably seen when I was walking up there and find that one wire brush you didn't even need.